read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum. Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter W. We will learn how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this? It's yummy, juicy watermelon. I love to eat watermelon. Oh my God, let's start how to write it. Start from the first line, come straight down, go slant up. Come slant down, go straight up. It will make capital W, uppercase letter W. Start from second line. Come straight down, go slant up. Come slant down, go straight up. It will make small W. The letter name is W. The sound of W is window, windmill, water, well, watermelon. Very good. The sound of W is the sound of W is watermelon. Do you like to eat watermelon? Raise your hands. Who likes? Oh my God, you all like to eat it. Oh my God, it's juicy, red and green watermelon. It comes in summer. Wait patiently. Always wait patiently for your turn. Okay? Now it's story time. Are you ready? Let's start. A watermelon patch grew by a windmill. The windmill pumped water from a well. The farmer ate a slice of watermelon after walking. It's sweet, juicy, yummy watermelon. I hope so. You all enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.